There has been a new development in the antitrust lawsuit filed against the NCAA. Welcome into your ESPN.com headlines. I'm Dario Melendez. A federal judge has denied the NCAA's request to delay the trial. And with more on this, we welcome in our legal analyst, Lester Munson. And Lester, what more can you tell us about what's going on here?
This is part of a whole series of pretrial maneuvers from the NCAA. The NCAA wanted to postpone the case. The judge in Oakland, California now says no. The trial of the case will begin on June the 9th. The NCAA is also attempting to appeal to a higher court a series of the judge's pretrial rulings. That is yet another attempt to delay the trial. I'm not sure exactly what's going to happen. We need to know a couple of more rulings before we know for sure that the trial will begin on June 9th. But right now, it looks like the trial will finally begin after 5 years of skirmishing in various courts.
Now, Lester, legal analyst Mark Edelman is on record saying that if this does go to trial, he really likes the athletes' chances of winning their case. With that being said, we keep talking about all these delays that the NCAA is going through. Any chance that they try to settle out of court?
I don't know how the NCAA can settle this case. In this case, the athletes are asking for compensation. They want money for any time the NCAA uses their images, their faces, their highlight reels, their uniform numbers, anything like that. The NCAA would have to make a radical change in the way it treats athletes to settle this case. I am sure that the judge will try to engineer a settlement, but I really don't think the NCAA is interested in settling. They're going to fight this one to the end, even though it looks like a loser for the NCAA.
And Lester, you just mentioned that the NCAA would need to make a radical change, or radical changes. What would those be?
The radical change would be that, let's say that the NCAA has a video highlight reel of the past college football season, and they feature Johnny Manziel. They would have to pay Johnny Manziel for each time he appears on that video and each time that video is sold. The same would be true for all sorts of other apps and different things that they are selling that show highlights of college sports.
That's Lester Munson with the latest on the NCAA's antitrust lawsuit. The trial is scheduled to begin June 9th. And remember, for your latest headlines, keep right here on ESPN.com. I'm Dario Melendez.